In this video, we explore the FrameMaker app in Canva. Canva already offers a fantastic selection of frames in its Elements section, but what happens if you can't find that perfect frame for your project? That's where the FrameMaker app comes in. To get started, open a design in Canva. Open the Elements icon in the left-hand toolbar. Type frames into the search bar. A box will show up with a Use the App button. If you just click Frames in the Elements drop-down menu, the app's button selection will not show up. You need to type frames. The other way is to go to the left-hand toolbar and click on the app's icon. In the search bar, type FrameMaker. This will bring up a variety of options, but the one we need is the first result, FrameMaker. Once the app is open, you'll see two options, Create and Convert, with Create set as the default. Canva currently provides 18 preset shapes you can select and customize to generate your desired frame. If you double-click anywhere on the preview, you can create a new point on your shape. Below the preview, there's a Remove a Point button. Clicking this switches all the points to red X's, allowing you to click on any of them to remove the corresponding point. It's a straightforward way to fine-tune your frame's shape. Next is grid snapping, which is turned on by default. This feature snaps points to the nearest spot on the grid, helping you align your design. If you prefer more flexibility or don't want to see the grid, you can turn off grid snapping to place points anywhere on the canvas. You can also increase the grid columns up to 20 for greater precision. Below this is Shapes. Under the Shape section, click on See All to browse all the preset shapes available for customization. Once you've finished tweaking your frame, click Add to Design to insert it into your project. Your customized frame is now ready to use. When we first opened the FrameMaker app, there were two options, Create and Convert. If you click on Convert, a Try FrameMaker Pro button will appear. Clicking this button will redirect you from Canva to the FrameMaker app website. Feel free to explore the website to see if FrameMaker Pro offers features that you may find interesting. If you found this content helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more Canva tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching,